The Anker Soundcore Liberty Air versus Apple AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. The market is flooded with numerous choices of wireless earbuds to compete with the Apple AirPods. In this video, I will be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air and how they compare to the Apple AirPods. I've done a complete unboxing of the Apple AirPods in my previous videos, which I have included in the description below along with the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the charging case and the earbuds, along with the various sizes of ear tips. And you also get the user guide and a micro USB charging cable. Just a brief spec comparison between the two. The AirPods, you get 5 hours of listening time, more than 24 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 4.2, double tap to access controls, and the charging case uses a lightning adapter. It's not sweat-proof or waterproof. For the Liberty Air, you get 5 hours of listening time, 20 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, tap controls for access, micro USB charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The Liberty Air comes in a white and black finish. The charging case is fairly small and has a smooth finish all around. The top has the Soundcore branding, and the front has the LED charge indicator for the case. On the bottom is the micro USB charging port. The earbuds inside the case have a magnetic hold to it, as you can see here. The front of each earbud has a nice, flat, smooth finish with the Soundcore branding. The top, you have an LED status light, and you can see the interchangeable ear tips. On the bottom, you will also find the right or left ear indicators. To access the controls, it's done by tapping on each side of the earbuds. Each side has a specific control, from skipping tracks, handling calls, voice assistant, to name a few. And here is the left side. Here are the two charging cases together. The Liberty Air is bigger than the Apple case, but both are still good portable sizes. The AirPods is roughly 1.7 by 2.1 by 0.8 of an inch. The Liberty Air is 2.3 by 1.9 by 1.1 of an inch. Side by side, the AirPods are smaller compared to the Liberty Air. Lengthwise, the AirPods come in at 1.61 inches. And the Liberty Air comes in at 1.57 inches. The Apple AirPods come in at 8 grams. The Liberty Air comes in at about 11 grams. The AirPod case is 39 grams, and the Liberty Air is about 47 grams. This is how they look. I have the AirPods on my left side and the Liberty Air on the right side. So here are my final thoughts, and this can be subjective. I give it 3.5 for comfort. The rubber tips can get some getting used to, and the design is not for everyone. Quality, I give it a 4. And sound, I give it a 4 as well. The lows are very good, and it's very deep. It has enough kick for its small size. Mids and highs were okay, and at times I felt it got washed out with the lows. The Apple AirPods, I feel, had more balanced sound across the board, but it did not excel in the lows, which I think the Liberty Air does. It's half the price of the AirPods, and the design has the AirPods look to them, on top of the IPX5 rating, which is a nice feature to have. So if you're budget conscious and don't want to spend double the price, this, in my opinion, is a good alternative. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.